Hello, I am Egeduran and this is Reverse Startup. It's our video for the TKS Prompt to Product Challenge. Most aspiring founders learn startups in one of two ways, like me. They either watch YouTube videos or they copy the visible features of the successful startups. But successful startups aren't successful because they're uh, interface. They are successful because of the decisions behind that interface, the vision. So I built Reverse Startup. Instead of asking how do I copy Spotify, Notion, Airbnb, or some of our Turkish startups like Martstag, instead of it asks if Spotify were founded today, what would changed? Let me show you. I will try an example. For example, Duolingo. I simply type the company name or maybe click. It first find the original insight that made Duolingo successful. People wanted to learn languages, but traditional education. This is the problem. You know the Duolingo, so I won't tell so much. Duolingo transformed learning into a daily habit. But here's the interesting part actually. Uh, it's this reverse startup project asks them, will the same strategy will still win today? Probably not. Distribution is harder. AI changed. Gamification is not enough. So the instead of copying Duolingo, it gives a new production. Lingo Loop in this case. An AI speaking coach that turns a user's interests, messages, videos, and real life goals into adapted speaking missions. Not a clone, a modern interpretation. But here's the big part. Ideas are cheap. Execution matters, especially in nowadays. So our startup continues. You can download it, the markdown actually, and it makes a plan, like all the plan in here. And for example, technical foundation, your first users, etc., etc. You see it, and here's our plan actually. It gives everything for a startup. The goal isn't to replace founders, and it isn't to replace creator to it. It's to teach a way better way of asking instead of asking what feature should I copy. Where startups helps people ask what problem was solved, what changed, and what should I build now. Actually, this is a problem that I realized like this is my problem actually because I'm a serial builder. I made lots of projects, lots of ideas. I have a ideas folder and lots of ideas folder actually, but I don't execute or just copy them. For a serial builder and in successful startup with the nowadays features, maybe a very good app like for example Duolingo, Spotify, and I believe that in the knowledge side the TKS has people like me, serial builders, so they would use actually. Thank you for listening.